Sliding patio door Mortise lock boxes with pocket trim plate. Part numbers S3025 and S3026. Number S3025. Pocket trim plate is riveted on, and that is also the mounting screw holes. 45-degree cylinder. This Mortise lockbox is known to have been used on Fiberlex and many other sliding patio door brands. Part number S3026. Mounting screw holes. Pocket trim plate is held on by these two screws and can be removed. This Mortise lockbox is known to have been used on Malta and Sunview and many other brand sliding doors. Both parts are in stock now and can be ordered on our website windowpartscenter.com.